Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay? We love you guys.
Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Excellency.
Technology is going to help a great deal, because technology, of course, enables us to leapfrog. It enables us to surmount problems that were not there before. Education is critical. Developing the right type of skills. I think Surya had spoken a moment ago about, how do we even take advantage. In a country such as ours, with so the fault lines such as we have, it is just not the sort of thing that's going to happen at all. I always say that, and this comes from my own training as a lawyer and prosecutor for years as Attorney General, that if you look at a charge sheet of those who have committed offenses, especially offenses around corruption and all, you never find just Igbos or just Yorubas. You always find an equal representation. So there will be a Hausa man, there will be an Igbo man, and a Yoruba man. And I've always found that very fascinating. People have no problems whatsoever, when they want to do corners of money. And there's no tribal anything. Everyone is very happy to do business with the other, and also to protect themselves, because they even hire lawyers. They even hire lawyers, for themselves. So I find that by and large.
My grandpa is Nigerian. I'm Igbo Nigerian. Small, I'm taking my Yoruba lessons. Obìnrin ni mi aya. I'm learning small.
You're well done, Excellency.